Welcome, dear friend, to a sacred space where the whispers of the world fade and your true essence can gently unfold. Take a moment to center yourself, allowing your shoulders to soften and your mind to quiet. Here in this tranquil sanctuary, your energy is protected, and your magnificent inner light is invited to shine brighter than ever before. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down, where you feel completely supported. Let go of any expectations or judgments, simply allowing yourself to be present in this moment. This time is solely for you, a precious gift to your mind, body, and spirit. Gently close your eyes, if that feels comfortable, or soften your gaze downwards. Feel the gentle weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Notice the subtle sensations, grounding you firmly in the here and now. Now bring your awareness to your breath, that constant, life-giving rhythm within you. There's no need to change anything, just observe its natural flow. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving your body. Breathe in slowly and deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to gently rise. Imagine you are drawing in pure, golden light, filling your chest and every cell with serene energy. This breath is a source of profound calm. As you breathe out gently through your mouth, release any tension, worry, or stress you might be holding. Let it all go like a soft sigh escaping your lips. With each exhale, feel a deeper sense of peace settling within you. Continue this gentle breathing, allowing it to soothe your nervous system. Now, imagine yourself surrounded by a magnificent, glowing sphere of soft, radiant light. This light emanates from deep within your own being, expanding outwards. This sphere is your personal sanctuary, your protective shield, soft, warm, and utterly unbreakable. It is a beacon of peace, a barrier against external pressures and anxieties. Feel its comforting presence all around you. With every slow, deliberate breath, visualize this sphere becoming stronger, brighter, and more vibrant. It pulses with your unique energy, a testament to your inherent strength and resilience. You are safe, held, and deeply cherished within this luminous embrace. As you rest within this radiant sphere, allow these gentle affirmations to resonate deeply within your heart. Repeat them softly in your mind, letting their truth settle into your very core. They are anchors for your spirit. I am safe. I am whole. I am surrounded by light. Feel the profound truth of these words. They are not just phrases. They are declarations of your inherent worth and security. Let them wash over you, dissolving any lingering doubts. My mind is calm. My spirit is at peace. I release all that no longer serves me. Allow these affirmations to guide you towards a state of deep relaxation. They are powerful tools for reducing anxiety and fostering inner harmony. Stay here for a few more moments, breathing gently, feeling your energy shield becoming one with you. This feeling of peace, this radiant light, is always accessible to you. It is your birthright, your constant companion. As you slowly prepare to re-engage with your day, know that you carry this light with you. It is not something you leave behind. It is an integral part of who you are. Let it guide your thoughts, words, and actions. Your energy is sacred, a precious resource to be honored and protected. Your light is unstoppable, capable of illuminating even the darkest corners. Remember this truth, especially when faced with challenges or stress. Thank you for joining this meditation, for dedicating this precious time to nurturing your inner self. This practice is a powerful step towards cultivating lasting peace and reducing the impact of daily stressors. To deepen your journey, commit to revisiting this meditation daily, even for just a few minutes. Allow the calming breath and protective light visualization to become a familiar refuge. Share this practice with others who might benefit from its gentle embrace. Remember, you are always walking in your light. Embrace its warmth, trust its guidance, and let it illuminate your path forward. Continue to nurture this inner sanctuary, for it is the wellspring of your strength and serenity. Tap.